everyone, this is Liana. Welcome to our factory, Henan Lima machinery manufacturer. Our factory has more than 10 years experience in animal feed and fish feed in this area. According to our clients, we know that there are some farmers, they have a small scale, but they still have confused. Should they buy the machine or no? Today, I'm gonna give you the answer. Okay, from my back side, you can see we have many stock here. They are fish feed pellet machine. Okay, today I'm gonna show you one of the type of the machine. You can see this is our model LM60. The capacity is 120 to 150 kg per hour. It's our very hard selling item because it's very suitable for farmer use. The capacity is not very high, it's not very low. So for farmer use, this is a very good choice. I will show you our machine. You can see. This is the main motor. For the motor, we use the international motor. This is the main motor. This is a feeding motor. And we also have the cutting motor. So first, you know, this machine is very easy to handle it for the farmers. We just need to put the real material into the feeder. Yeah, into the feeder. After that, the pellet will come out through the screw. Yes, and come out from inside. And for the feed, it's very easy to stock it. Like I said just now, some farmers, they have confused. Should they buy the feed machine or no? If your fish is the small quantity, you can, and your money is not a lot, so you can choose the small capacity. As a beginner, you can choose this type. This is a good choice. The price is very good. The machine, the price is good. And what's the advantage of the feed? First, when the feed, the temperature reach to 80 to 100 degrees, so the feed is very easy for the fish to eat. And the fish also like to eat the feed. Secondly, it's very easy to make the stock. You know, the capacity is 80 to 120 to 150 kg per hour. So you can get a lot of feed in few hours. So you can make a stock. The third, the price is very cheap. I mean the feed price is more cheaper you purchase from the store. But it also has disadvantage for some clients. They think the machine is very expensive for them. Don't worry. We have many different models and different capacity. For example, we have the smallest capacity, LM40. The capacity is 40 to 60 kg per hour. As beginners, some clients, they can choose this model. And the price is also very good. Secondly, some clients, they are still confused about the formula. They worry about the formula. If they don't have formula, how they can make the feed? Don't worry, my friend. We will help you about the formula. If you don't have formula, we will send the formula for you and let you make the feed. If you have your own formula, you also can share with us. We will adjust it based on your requirement. Thirdly, there are some more clients. They still confused about the installation and how to handle it. Don't worry, we will help you to install it. When you receive the machine, just contact with us. We will show you how to install it, how to use it until you can use it. So don't worry. Now I want to answer you. You know, some customer, they ask me, why should I choose you? Okay, now let me explain for you. Our factory has more than 10 years experience in this area, and we already exported the machine to 100 countries. And we have a warehouse in different countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Bangladesh, and so on. So if you have any questions about the fish feed and about the machine, just contact with us. Liana is always here for you. So please contact with us anytime. Thank you.